On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, especially with the beginner, how to decorate step-by-step cake for any event. So here are the material I'm going to be using. When you get to a cake shop, in case if you are not having things like this, you are going to see a different one. So this is egg white. In place of egg white, you can also use water. So make yourself comfortable while we move on it. And I will be telling you one after the other what they are used for. So here is icing sugar. But you don't worry about this. As we move on, I will be telling you what we are using. So here is the fondant, and I add a little bit of CMC. The help of the CMC is to make it to become strong, quick. Roll it out. Once you see that it's already smooth, sprinkle a icing sugar on it and use a rolling pin to flatten it. At this point, it's perfectly okay. You can use this same rolling pin that you are seeing, or you can use a different one entirely. One thing about cake cutter, you might go to a cake shop, you will not find this exact one that you see me using. If you can get a similar one, you are good to go. So this is the shape I desire to see. So this is how it goes. So I'm using egg white. In a place of egg white, you can use water also. Here is a cake bead, and everything you are seeing here is eatable. You can as well use other color that you desire. So this is a cake color. I will use a cake wine to bind it. Just a drop. Make sure it's not too liquid. And in a place of this gold, you can use any color of your choice. Especially if you are making it for a client, you have to use the color the client require. So this is how I'm going to do it, and I will allow it to dry. So I'm going to repeat this off camera, the one that will be sufficient for me to do the work. At this point, I'm done. Can you see how beautiful and colorful it is? And in case you don't know how to cover cake, watch other of my previous video to know how to cover it. I don't want the video to be too long. That is why I'm not displaying that here. I have a several video where I do the covering of cake. So this is the other cake cutter. When you get to a cake shop, you show it something like this to them. If they cannot get exact one that you are showing to them, you can pick a similar one. Is how you are able to finish it that matters. You will end up having a wonderful result. Sometimes when you are looking for exactly things that you saw on video to use, Sometimes it can be very, very stressful for you to get it. To make it easy for yourself, use a similar one. You will arrive in a good result. When you are making a cake like this, just try to be calm, try to be patient. That is what it requires. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are really wonderful. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you. In fact, I don't really know how to say thank you to you guys. You guys are really wonderful and amazing. God bless you all for always watching. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn the notification bell. That is the only way you will know when we drop a new video. And we are dropping soon again. Feel free to share the video. Make it to be a blessing, or allow it to be a blessing to other people out there. And feel free to go down on this channel. Scroll it and you are going to see amazing video, educating video, cooking video, pastry, just name it. For personal consumption, for sales. And it has been a blessing to our tables. And now I believe it will also be a blessing to you. When you scroll down on my channel, you will understand what I am saying. Majorities of my video, they are for personal consumption, they are for sales, or telling you about how you can go into business. I have a video of chin-chins, different types of chin-chin, you are intends to go into commercial, and which is a good business also. I have a lot of it that I really explain from the scratch. Watch it and give me a feedback. The only thing you can help me to do in any of my video, just say something. Share the video. Let it be a blessing to others. And you that is always doing that, I love you with the whole of my heart. I can't stop saying thank you to you. Guys, can you see we are really progressing? So this is 3 steps of cake. So now I am done with the design. So I will start to feast it one after the other. If you are using egg white, make sure you add a drop of lemon to it. If you are using egg white, make sure you add a drop of lemon to it. If you cannot lay your hands on lemon, you can use lime. You see the same. Or if you decide to use water, it will still give you the same results. Sometimes I use water. Sometimes I use limes. Anyone that is convenient for you, anyone that you can lay your hands on, is the right one for you to use, guys. I hope someone is blessed by this video, and I hope you are learning. If you have watched all to this point, in fact, you are a proud to this family. Once again, I say thank you. Please don't finish this video without liking. Go ahead and like. Like the video, share the video, and leave a comment. It can be long, it can be short, but just say something. I would love to see that. Can you see, guys? We are really progressing. Making of this cake, guys, all you just need is just your patience. Once your patience is involved, you can even do it better than the person you are watching his or her own. Making of a cake like this, guys, if you can make any birthday cake, you can as well make any event cake. Once you get the pictures of the cake you are about to decorate, try to examine the picture. Be calm. Watch it again and again and again. You are good to go. When you are doing it for the first time, you might not be fast in it. But as time goes on, you become a pro. So when you are finishing the up of it, you can use any design you desire, guys. Is this one not great, guys? It's really beautiful and amazing. Hand job is good though. See you soon again. Bye bye.